How are you doing?
I was here on Monday night and I noticed the canal starting to come up around 8:30, 9, so I had to get shop closed, but I was still here for a while after it and it just come right out. Now when I was leaving it wasn't down here, but the next morning I was here at 7 and it was desperate. But I mean, I think work could have been done earlier. I don't know, but...
And can you tell me what the condition of the shop is like today?
A mess, a total mess. And it's going to take a while to get everything cleaned and everything up and opened, but we have it to do.
So you're...
Field for these ones down here.
Yeah, I was just going to say you're on slightly higher ground.
We're slightly higher ground, but these ones down here is just absolutely ridiculous.
Will you just give me your full name and the company?
It's Michael Nugent and Nugelato is the company.
Michael, obviously floods here in Newry. Can you tell me a bit about how the shop's looking?
Well, this is the first day we were able to access the shop, just with the levels of flood yesterday. It's not great, you know. It was under a few feet of water, while the water has thankfully left our shop now. It has just went a few metres down the roads, which still there's a big problem, but for our shop it's just going to be like trying to salvage what we can and just see what the extent of the damage, you know. It's very early.
Michael, do you think there could have been any more to avoid it being quite as bad as it is?
I don't know. I suppose it was we didn't have much warning, you know. Had we have known, we possibly could have got equipment and stock out. You know, as I said, like I'm no expert in canals and flood alleviation, but you know, I'd like to think we could have maybe got a bit of warning, because it was literally the staff member who was working on Monday just said they started pumping out the canal, and that was the first we had heard that there was an issue of it potentially like breaking the banks or spilling over the canal.